Cannes Film Festival 2025. Urvashi Rautela is back in Cannes. The actress arrived in the French Riviera to walk the red carpet on the first day of Cannes. Pictures and videos of Urvashi, dressed in a multicolored Michael Senko gown, were shared on social media. The internet couldn't keep calm as Urvashi carried a crystal parrot-shaped clutch on the red carpet, prompting hilarious reactions. Urvashi, who is a regular attendee of the Cannes Film Festival 2025, is back for another spectacular walk. Apart from her gown, Urvashi's colorful tiara and a matching pair of earrings added princess vibes to her look. We spotted Urvashi kissing her parrot clutch, and according to Sabhya's post, she was asked to clear the space. Reacting to this, a user wrote, "First Indian woman asked to leave the red carpet. What an insult." Another one commented, "What in the unicorn world is that makeup?" The third user pointed out, "First woman to come dressed as a parrot at Cannes. Too much matching tiara. Her makeup itself looks like she is older woman. Instagram, please make LOL, haha, dislike button. Copycat, she's copying Aishwarya, surgery ki dukaan." In 2023, Urvashi Rautela stirred controversy when she wore a fake crocodile neckpiece worth rupees 200 crores at Cannes last year. What do you think about Urvashi Rautela's recent Cannes Film Festival look?